Hey guys, welcome back to the 101 Cool Magic Tricks with Glenn Singleton series. And today we will be doing Cunning Coin Conundrums, which is page 80. So if we go to page 80 here, here's the page. Okay, I'll be explaining the sleight of hand first. So as you can see, it is telling us to put the coin behind our hand here. Okay, this is just a 5-cent Australian coin, so it's pretty tiny. What we want to do is push the coin behind our knuckles, just like this. You can do it any way you want, and to produce it, you just act like you're pulling it out of midair, and you're just grabbing the coin like that. So that was the first trick, and the second trick I'll just quickly show you. Yes, the coin fold, okay? So those are the pictures. I'll show you the other side. Now I'll be explaining that. So basically, just grab this piece of paper here. And what we're going to want to do is let the spectator or one of your members from the audience examine the coin and the paper. And then you're going to place the coin inside here. Fold it like this in half. Just leave like a gap here, as what the book said. And then fold this back behind the coin and do the same with that. So basically we have a pocket here. And then we can rotate it and let the coin slide out into your hand, and then just tear up the piece of paper. Just like that. So that was the classic coin conundrums tutorial in this book. I hope you've enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next episode.